Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make some lovely lemongrass tea. But you might say that, okay, just lemongrass tea, but what is the benefit of it? I'm going to give you about 5 to 7 benefit of this lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea can prevent the growth of some yeast and bacteria in your blood. It's also good for pain. It's a very powerful pain relief. It's good for reducing swelling. It's good for fever, and also good for lowering your blood pressure, lowering your cholesterol level, and stimulate the uterus, and good for mental flow. Also full of antioxidant. It's good for your skin, and it's good to treat respiratory diseases. Also, it's good for fungal. So here what I'm doing, I'm just going to bring this to a boil. And if you want, you can add some lemon to it. So let's put a lid on it and bring it to a boil. So over here I'm just going to prepare my cup. This is a lovely strainer. You can get one of this. Just put it in there until it's ready. It's almost just a couple of minutes for it to go. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, welcome you all, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comments. And thanks for watching. So almost there. Put the lid back on. So with mine I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon. It's personal preference. And I'm gonna put some honey in it. So this for me is personal preference. You don't have to put this. Normally it's boiling. As you can see, look at the color. Look at this lovely, rich color. You know, when I was young, my mom normally give me this with fennel. It's good for cold, flu, you know, good for speed up your metabolism also. So I'm going to turn it off now. Quick and easy to make. Very easy to make. Remove the lid. Just pour it straight in. See how much is inside here. Yeah, that's more than enough. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Cheers to you all. Lovely, refreshing. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. And ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.